Hey everyone, it's Katie, and I'm super excited to show you a total game changer for turning long videos into scroll-stopping short clips. If you've been struggling to squeeze more value out of your podcasts, interviews, or webinars, you can now create polished shorts and reels directly in Vizard without juggling a dozen different tools. Here's the magic. Vizard automatically extracts highlight clips from your long-form recordings and reframes them into a vertical 9:16 format, perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. We built this specifically so that creators don't need a massive production team just to turn a single long recording into an entire week's worth of snackable social media content. To get started, simply navigate to your Videos tab, select the recording you want to repurpose, and click on the trim options. You will see options for a regular widescreen trimmer and a dedicated shorts mode that automatically reorients your footage into the perfect portrait orientation for mobile scrollers. While Vizard defaults to a smart 1-minute segment, you have total control to drag, drop, or shrink the highlighted section to find that perfect snippet. For those times when you need extreme precision, use the intuitive zoom control on the timeline to pinpoint the exact gesture or laugh that makes a clip truly pop. Once you have locked in your perfect cut, you can either save it to your drafts for later or publish it immediately to your connected social channels. If you need to connect a new platform, just click the plus sign, select your destination, and follow the simple prompts to link your accounts. Just a quick heads up for Instagram users. Make sure your account is set to a business profile and linked to a Facebook page to enable direct publishing. A pro tip is to add tiny platform-specific tweaks like adjusting your captions so they don't get cut off by platform interface overlays. Vizard truly stands out because it combines automated viral clip detection with a centralized content calendar that keeps your entire strategy organized. The AI is remarkably sharp at finding those high engagement moments, like reactions and strong conversational peaks, saving you hours of aimless scrolling. With the auto schedule feature, you can set your desired posting frequency and let the platform handle the distribution across your channels. This consistency is what actually moves the needle on growth, much more than a single lucky viral video ever could. The content calendar is your command center, allowing you to move clips, edit captions, and manage your entire strategy without switching between 5 different apps. While other tools might focus on just one thing, like captioning or transitions, Vizard provides the full, practical loop from discovery to publishing. To get the best results, try to keep your original recordings framing stable and record with a high-quality microphone so the AI has clean audio to work with. Adding small notes or timestamps during your live sessions can also help the AI prioritize the most important sections of your footage. Don't be afraid to experiment with different clip lengths, because a mix of long explanatory takes and quick punchy reactions helps keep your audience curious. Always remember that those first 2 seconds are crucial, so make sure your thumbnail frame is visually appealing to stop the scroll. We are so excited to see what you create, whether you are promoting a new show or just making sure your best evergreen content keeps getting seen. If you need more help getting started, definitely check out our library of walkthrough videos and templates covering everything from caption styles to preset content types. If you have questions, just drop a comment below or reach out, because we love sharing what works for creators of all sizes. Alright, go open your videos tab right now, pick a clip, try that 9:16 trim, and get something published this week. Even one solid short every week can completely change your growth trajectory if you keep the momentum going. I seriously cannot wait to see what you build with Vizard, so happy clipping and happy streaming out there.